Is your Tesco Mobile suddenly not accepting calls? This is often due to settings like call bearing, do not disturb, or VoLTE being misconfigured. Call bearing blocks incoming or outgoing calls based on your rules. Do not disturb silences notifications, but can accidentally block calls. VoLTE ensures high-quality calls over 4G, 5G. If VoLTE is off or unstable, especially after network upgrades, calls might not connect. Since Tesco Mobile uses O2's network, back-end issues can also rarely be the culprit. Knowing these settings is the first step to fixing the problem. Let's fix it. First, check DND, make sure it's toggled off. It's a quick fix. Second, check call bearing. Use your phone's dialer and enter 35 followed by your SIM pin, usually yearly 000, and then that's 35500 strap to disable it. Finally, verify VoLTE. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced, and ensure VoLTE is enabled. Restart your phone after making changes. If problems persist, check for carrier settings updates in your phone's settings app. As of October 2025, Tesco Mobile is rolling out AI-driven diagnostics in their app to help diagnose and automatically reset these settings. If all else fails, contact Tesco Mobile support. They might need to reset something on their end, or even swap your SIM card.